Open a Nedbank My Goals and Just Save account. Register on nedbankcup.co.za to stand a chance of winning money, 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 money. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Gala 0. I'm joined by Kaya.
Hola, Sibo. Yeah, sharp kanjani? Sharp. Sibo, iPirates idlalile namhlanje. iPirates idlalile namhlanje. Ngijabulile. You know why? Mangisuka la ngeLoftus. Angazi ngiyofacea abantu, but ngikhalela ukufacea iChiefs. Why? You know why? It's been second time ngidlala neSundowns 2 times on my final. So bengicela iChiefs kancane. Ngifuna ukuba face. Coming to the game. Coming to the game. Sibo, abona namhlanje uTito. uTito udlalile. uTito namhlanje bekanga hold too much. uTito udlalile bekanga hold too much. uTito bekashaya ama 1 2 3. That's why ibona iPirates rotator. Luckily enough, uHoto beyase game namhlanje because of Tito. uTito ka hold anga too much namhlanje. iMarumo Gallants amawinga uMarumo Gallants namhlanje awasebenzanga. Even go uMango bekayifuna lento but yenzekanga. Defend iPirates. Umbokazi iTLB ngiyakutshela Brian, we going far. Mina I don't know why bangaze bambize for i-call up esquadini. Ngibuza man of the match man of the match yami. Man of the match. iTLB. Mbokazi. iPirates idlalile namhlanje. I'm so grateful ngoba ngifuna ukufesa someone ozowina. Ngifuna ukufesa someone ozowina and ngifuna iChiefs. The reason why ngifuna iChiefs. Angibafuni la. Ngifuna iChiefs. Cut it short. Coming to the game. Cut it short. See love chance. Cut it short. iPirates namhlanje midfield iPirates rotate because of uTito bega passa early as possible. Azanga hold it too much today. That's why ibona iPirates be function amawinga iPirates adlalile. I'm so happy because of yewa introduce abantu umfukeng. And iPirates ku wing left wing idlalile because of what? Mfukeng. And uTito bekashesha akhipha ama passes. Iyo nto besifuna mhla iPirates idlalile. What else do I want? Le goal iPirates bekuyi 20,000. Wena ku nedbankcup.co.za. Iyo leyo. Usayinapile. Sibo bye. Hello, ciao.